Hi children, now let us discuss the problems in exercise 2.3. Okay, let us go into the question number 1. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? 3 sets are given. Okay, A, B and C. So among these, which are equal? What do you mean by equal? All the elements should be same. Okay, if the elements are same, we can say that they are equal sets. So here A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow, and B is equal to set X such that X is a letter in the word flow, and C, X such that X is a letter in the word wolf. Okay, first of all, let us write the sets, elements in these all sets. So, these are the given facts in set builder form. So, first of all, we are going to write it in the roster form. So, here A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. What are the letters in follow? F, O, L and W. Now, double L is the repetition and O is also twice. So, we should take it only once. So, what are the letters? F, O, L, W. Always you have to separate it with commas, okay, when you are writing the roster form. Okay, let us see what is the set B. X such that X is a letter in the word follow. This also, the letters are F, L, O, W. Okay, same letters are there. F, L, O, W. Means same letters only. No, here F, O, L, W. This one also F, L, O, W means F, O, L, W. The letters are same in both. So, from here we understood that A and B are same, equal sets. Okay, let us also see C. What is C? Okay, X such that X is a letter in the word wolf. So, here also the letters are F, L, O, W or W, O, L, F. Whatever be, the letters are same, isn't? W, O, L and F. We can write in any order when you are writing the letters. Okay, when you are writing the elements. So, we got the elements of A, B and C are same. So, since A, B and C are having the same elements, we can say that A, B and C are equal sets. So, since A, B and C contains F, L, O, W, they are the same elements. So, the set A, the set B and the set C are equal sets. So, when do the sets become equal? When they are having same elements. Okay, they will become equal. So, here A, B and C are having same elements. So, we call A, B and C are equal sets. Let us move on to the next question. The question is, consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with equal or not equal, so as to make the statement true. Okay, here the sets are given. So, after seeing the elements in the set, we have to find out whether it is equal or not equal to. So, if it is equal, fill it by equal symbol, or not equal by not equal symbol. Okay, first let us see A. What is A? 1, 2, 3. Elements 1, 2, 3. And B, the first 3 natural numbers. Okay, what are the first 3 natural numbers? The first 3 natural numbers is 1, 2, 3. Natural number starting from 1 only, no? So, 1, 2, 3. So, both same, no? A and B are same. So, the question is A dash B. So, A and B are equal. So, we have to fill it with equal symbol. A is equal to B. Okay, now let us go into the next one. What is A and E? Let us see A and E. A is 1, 2, 3 and E is A, E, I, O, U. Actually there is even no common elements, is it or not? This is 1, 2, 3 and this is vowels. So A and E are disjoint sets and they are not equal. So we can write that A is not equal to E. Okay, now we have to see what is A, C and D. Okay, what about C and D? A, B, C, D and D, D, C, A, B. Okay, so here A, in D also A there, B, yes, C there. All elements are D, all elements are repeating. What all elements are in C? All elements are coming in D. So what do we say about C and D? C and D are equal. So C is equal to D. Okay, now let us move on to the next one. That is D and F. What is D? D, C, A, B means A, B, C, D. The elements are A, B, C, D. And F. Set of vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. So, are all the elements in F are in D? If all the elements are equal, then only we say that the two sets are equal. Here, D, in the set D, D, C, A, B. Okay, only A is common in F. Because F is a set of vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So A is there both in set D and F. But what about other elements? Other elements are not present in, other elements are not common. So are they equal? No, D and F are not equal. They are called equal only when all the elements are same in both set. If it is one or two elements are common, we can't say that they are common, they are equal. It will become equal only when all the elements are equal. How many elements are there? Same element should be in F. Then we can say that they are equal. So whether D and F are equal? Not equal. D is not equal to F. Okay. So similarly, you can do the other questions also same manner. Question number 3 also very simple. That also follows the same rule. In each of the following state whether A is equal to B or not. Same way we have to do. So A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to D, C, A, B. Here you can see all elements are same only. A is having A, B, C, D, B also having A, B, C, D elements. So we say that they are equal. Let's say A is equal to B. And see here, this also you can do. Fourth question you see. A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 10. What are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Okay, any number from 10, 20, 30, 40, it will go on like that. See here B. B has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. 10, 20, 30 all are there. All elements are coming. But there are some extra elements. 15, 25. These extra elements are not in A. Even though all the elements of A are in B, some of the elements in B are not present in A because multiple of 10. 15 is not a multiple of 10. 25 is not a multiple of 10. So, whether A and B are equal? No, A and B are not equal. Okay, let us move on to this question. State the reasons for the following. Here it is given that set 1, 2, 3, etc. to 10. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is not equal to H such that X is an element of N. This also natural numbers. Okay, this set is also containing natural numbers. N is a symbol for natural numbers only, no? But here there is a condition. X is greater than 1 and less than 10. So the elements are in between 1 and 10. That is greater than 1 and less than 10. So what are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 and 10 do not come in this set. So in RHS, the right hand side of this equation, 1 and 10 not there, but here 1 and 10 also included. So are they equal? Not equal. Okay, then in RHS, x is greater than 1 and less than 10. So the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What about LHS? Is having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 1 and 10 are included in this set. Here 1 and 10 not there. So are they equal? So both sets are not equal. Okay, let us see this question. Set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means these are the even numbers. Isn't 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. Less than or equal to 10. Okay, what about this right side? Let us see. X is such that x is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 and x is an element of n. So do you know what is 2n plus 1? This is a formula for odd numbers. 2n plus 1 is a formula for odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. But here in the left side we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So whether even numbers are equal to odd numbers? No. So these two sets are not equal. This is the formula for odd numbers. 2n plus 1 is a formula for odd numbers. So both sets are not equal. Okay, let us see this one. 5, 15, 13 and 45. And right side, x is such that x is a multiple of 15. Multiple of 15 starts from 15. Okay, 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. It does not start from 5, but it starts from 15. This one starts from 5. So in RHS, 5 does not exist. RHS starts from 15. Okay, this one starts from 5. So 5 does not exist in RHS. So these are also not equal set. Okay, now tell me why these two are not equal. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is a set. And this one x such that x is a prime number. Why not equal? Prime number, here 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime number. Prime number 5 prime, 7 prime. But whether 9 is a prime number, not a prime. 9 is not a prime number, it's a composite number. So because of that reason, in LHS 9 is not a prime number. For that reason both sets are not equal. Okay, now let us move on to this question. List all the subsets of the following sets. We have to find out the subsets of B, subsets of C and subsets of E and subsets of A. And when you are writing the subsets, you should remember some facts. Suppose if we say B is a subset of A, then it implies A is an element of B and also A is an element of A. So if an element in B, that element is in A, we can say that B is a subset of A. So when you are writing the subset, you should remember that fact. Suppose if we say PR, if we say set PR, whether set PR is a subset of B? No, that is not a subset of B. Why it is not a subset of B? Because R is not here. R is not in B. So subset, if we say subset, every element should be present in that. Okay. P, we can say that P is a subset of set B. Okay, because P is in PQ. In the set P, P is there. And is R is a subset of B? element R, is it in B? No. So is R will become a subset of B? No, it won't become. But one thing is that phi, the empty set, is a subset of all sets. We have to remember this fact. Phi is a subset of all sets. Okay, and every set, the set itself, PQ, the set itself is a subset of the set. So every set is a subset of itself. So if you remember all these facts, all these 3 points, it is very easy for you to write the sets, write the subsets. So now let us find out the subsets of B. Subset of B are given P is equal to PQ. So P is a subset. P is a subset. Next, Q. Q is also an element of PQ, element of B. So we can say that Q is a subset. Okay. Again, any more elements? No elements are there. So the next condition, phi is a subset of all sets, we told. So phi is a subset. And what is the next condition? Every set is a subset of itself. So every set means a set itself. Set itself means PQ itself. PQ. So these are the subsets of set B. So how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sets are there, subsets of B. How will you get, how can you say, see whether your answer is right or not? There is a formula to find out the number of sets, that is 2 power n. N is a number of elements in set B, in that set. So here the set number is 2. 1, 2, 2 are there. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So 4 sets will be subsets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the sets. Okay, these are the subsets of set B. Okay, let us move on to this question. D is equal to A, B, C, D. So there are 4 elements in it. If there are 4 elements, how many subsets will be for D? According to the formula 2 power n, 2 power 4. That means there will be 16 elements. 16 subsets, not elements. 16 subsets will be there for D. Okay, let us see what are these 16 subsets. So we can take, the condition is this one only, no? B is a subset of A, then that element in A should be in B, that should be in A also. So then only it will be a subset. So we can take the combination of single elements, double elements. If we take a combination of double elements, like means set A, B, set A, B, that is also the elements of set D. Then we can take a combination of A, B, C, 3 elements, means set A, B, C. If we take a set A, B, C, all A, B, C are present in this. Okay, the condition is this one only. If an element is present in B, that should be in A, then it can be a subset. So that condition is satisfying when we take the combination of 1, when we take the combination of 2 elements, and when we take the combination of 3 elements also. And all the 4 elements means set is a subset of itself. That we know, every set is a subset of itself. And also we have to take 5. Null set is a subset of all sets. So take all the single elements, then double elements, then triple elements, then write the set itself one time, and then write 5. Total there will be 16 subsets. Okay, let us see what are they. The subset of D are set A. We can write set A. Next we can write set B. Is it? Then we can write set C. You can write set D. Right? So all single elements completed. Okay, now we can write double elements. So double elements start from you can take the combination of A, B, then you can take the combination. Okay, you can take all these combination with the two elements A, B, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Okay, these are the combinations of 2. When we are coming to the combination of 3, you can take these sets ABC a set, ACD another set, ABD another set, BCD another set, and the set itself is a subset and a null set is also a subset. Okay, so total how many sets are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So according to the rule 2 power n, we know that there will be 16 subsets. So in this way, we can write down the subsets of a given set. Okay.